Hello, my name is Shogi Tufts. I'm a designer for Zhuhai CTC Electronics. I'm happy to introduce our new product, SLA 3D printer, based on the current demands across the industry, from all levels, from small home business owners to large factories. We've designed a product with higher accuracy and greater resolution at an affordable price. In the past, the costs have been prohibitive, ranging from $10,000 to hundreds of thousands for equipment and printers such as this, or for models and designs to be produced. You can now afford this machine for $1,000 to $1,500.
Previously, it's expensive for designers to print their models because they have to go to some industrials and use some industrial machines. However, with the SLA 3D printer, they can have another choice. The SLA 3D printer can not only reduce their cost, but also can print the models with much greater accuracy in a short time.
Thanks for the support from the software companies Autodesk Mesh Mixer and Cura. We're able now to produce from this 3D printer products with much higher accuracy, such as this. We can also produce without a support system models such as this, with higher, again, resolution and greater accuracy.